Good morning guys, and welcome back to our new video. I'm gonna take you with me today. We are going to get a shed house far from here. We're gonna put in the trailer. Show you the trailer. This is the trailer and this is the truck. Ta-da! We're ready to leave. That's very hard. Keep going. Keep going more. Just keep going. Watch out for the hole. Maybe the tire gonna went down there. This is the shed that we're gonna get. We're gonna put this on the trailer. We're gonna put that on the trailer here.
I'll do it because I have some pinching my finger.
Oh, I didn't know it's gonna be like that. Ooh.
Oh, you got
Try something. I don't know if this will work or not. I just had a aim for it with this old socket and cut a slot in it. Thought maybe we could spin those out.
Yeah, that would be nice.
I think you
Maybe
got
take
it.
at least a couple of them out.
It's very deep.
Yeah, they're not very big. I couldn't believe that. The old ones were 4 feet long. It's not a very good auger. It's just spinning down there.
It's not working.
It's not even coming up.
It's not a very good auger. Let me try this one.
Yeah, it doesn't have enough. Doesn't have enough. Yeah, it's just spinning. I thought it might work.
Nope. Oh my god! Oh, it's hurt. Oh, she's hurt. Oh, you hit the thing there. I hit the metal.
Real bad. Brian, you to take it out?
Damaged. You had to tear it down or raise, raise it up.
Yeah.
About 10 feet. You got to raise it up. What do you mean raise it up? It's a shed. It's not a house. And Lee County won't. Well.
Coming. So the aircon is on a way, so we need to push the shed out a little bit far away to that aircon. So guys, you know what, it's like 12 o'clock in the afternoon already. We started moving this shed like 9 a.m. in the morning, and it's already 12 o'clock and it's very hot. So after 6 hours, guys, finally we put the shed on the trailer. It was not very easy. Oh my gosh, we got it. It's on the trailer now. I don't know the car. Oh, and very close to the other side. Yay, we made it, guys. We're here now in the farm with our new house. Crooked. Ta-da!